Hey guys, it's Katie Cakes here. I am here with a Amazon box and another book outlet unboxing. As you can tell, they are not all gone. We did about half of them, and then I had to go to work. So, yeah, but we are going out again on Sunday, and then I already have 11 more for the next run. So yeah, I have also dyed my hair since my last video, so I really like it. It's purple in the sun, but I mean you can't really see it on the camera or like in normal lighting, but yeah, it is darker than I wanted originally, but I still like it, so that's okay. But first we will start with the Amazon box. I do believe this is from like one of my Amazon groups, because I haven't bought myself anything. So yeah, if it lets me open it, this tape is like, it's like super taped. Okay. So I'm not quite sure where I got this orange from, because I don't think they were on my list, because I don't like them. Kelroy does, but Kelroy can't eat them because he's lactose intolerant. But that's okay. I'll give it to my husband, and he will probably eat it anyway. But then I got the Even Stevens movie, and honestly, I've wanted this movie for way too long. So I'm like super excited about it. I got two. It's strange. Don't understand. It has my name on it, but I don't know why I have two. So one is from Lisa M. Mars. They're both from Lisa. Okay, all of them are from Lisa. I'm very confused. I really like this movie, but I don't think that I need two of them. But that's pretty cool, so thank you, Lisa Mars. I will definitely be watching that movie. Okay, now let's do the book outlet box, because that's why we're all here, you know, on a booktube channel. Maybe the chocolate orange was subconsciously sent to me for Nikki, because Nikki has like 100 of them on her Amazon wish list, because she says that you can't have enough of them. And I guess it's like one of her favorites. But I've never really liked them, and I don't know why. But I'm really confused as to how I got two Even Stevens movies. Why are these packages fighting with me today? They just don't want to open, guys. Okay. So this box is full. Okay, so first book I got was Catwoman Soul Stealer by Sarah J. Maas. This book has been on my radar for a while. I'm not the biggest DC fan. It does look like they also have Wonder Woman, Batman, and Superman. But Catwoman I like. I also like Harley Quinn. I'm not really a big fan of like any other DCs. But I figured I would give it a try. I haven't read anything by Sarah J. Maas. I know, well, no, technically I've read the prequels to Throne of Glass. So I guess that kind of counts, but not really. But yeah, so I got this book. And then I'm like super behind with this book, but I got Again But Better by Christine Riccio. She's a booktuber, and I think she's working on her second book. I've wanted this for a while, and I just never got it for some reason. And then now they have it on Book Outlet, so I did get it. It has a watermelon. That's so cute. And yeah, just that is so cute. Let's see if there's anything on this one, because for some reason I didn't look at that. Here's a cat. I love how it's purple. I love purple. That's so cute. I really hope that I like this book, and then maybe I'll get the rest of them, and maybe I'll like them. No promises. Did I open the box backwards? I think I opened the box upside down. Maybe that's why it was so hard to open. But then I got what I think is the rest of the series for Gone. So I got Lies by Michael Grant. I'm not sure where it goes in the story, but it is a Gone novel. And then I got Fear, Plague, and Monster. So now I have 2 hardcovers in this series and 4 soft covers. And there's the lines. The lines never bug me because yeah. Catwoman also has a line. Okay. Again But Better has a dot. See if there's anything under this one. There is not. It's just the spine. There's nothing on the book. And the last book I got, oh, it's so pretty, is The Night Country by Melissa Albert. I read The Hazelwood and I loved it. So I really wanted the second one. I found out there was a second one coming out and I was like, oh my god, I need this. And then for some reason I just never bought it. But it was on Book Outlet, so I did buy it. And I think I spent like $10 on it or something. But like, look at this cover, guys. This is beautiful. I wish that my copy of The Hazelwood was not hidden. Oh, it's over there somewhere. Hi, baby. Marty just peeked his head in the door. But I absolutely love this. Aww. I love this book, you guys. I don't even have to read it. I just love it. The book itself is kind of boring. It lacks the beauty of the cover. But there is designs on the chapters, it looks like. So that's kind of cool. I'm really excited to read this. I will have to read the first one again so that I can remember what happened, because it's been, I want to say, at least 2 years since I read it. So, but I really love this cover. It looks similar to The Hazelwood, but this one's blue, whereas the Hazelwood is black and like a brownie color. So, yeah. But that is my unboxing. This book doesn't have a dot or a line on it. So that's kind of strange. But yeah, those are my unboxings. Mr. Boo is here because he wants to say hello. I just got finished work again, so he's like, Mommy, love me. And Daddy got home tonight because he was watching Papa's House. But yeah, that is my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm sure I will be back again because I cannot stop spending money on books. I mean, it could be worse. Books are great, but I do need to read all of these ones that are backwards because I own them and I haven't read them. Some of them I've owned for years and I have not read them. Like, I need to read this stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Here's a Lucky Boo. He's just being cute. He's gonna end the video. Say bye.